Hello everyone, welcome back to computer class. Today I am going to start lesson number 3 from your textbook, that is computer virus. Content, introduction, computer virus, why do people spread virus, sources of virus, symptoms of virus attack, types of virus. First is about introduction. Do you fall ill or sick? Sometimes yes. Because of what? Because of seasonal fever or a viral fever. Why we will get seasonal fever or a viral fever? Because of biological virus. Okay. Same as it is, computer will also fall sick. Because of what? Not because of biological virus, because of computer virus. In that time, computer will show unusual symptoms. Don't think that computer virus is same as biological virus. Computer virus is different from biological virus. Biological virus will attack the human being, but the computer virus will attack the software of a computer or the parts of a computer, internal memory, like that. It will attack the parts of a computer or the softwares or the hardwares of a computer system. Next is about computer virus. What is the meaning of computer virus? Here, the computer virus is a computer program which runs on any computer system without the user knowledge. Here, computer virus is also developed by a human being. Computer virus is a set of computer program. Once it is attacked to your computer means the computer will not respond to your work properly. Without our knowledge only it will enter to our system. Without our knowledge only it will attack to our system. It will start to damage the system automatically. Reason of because of the virus only the system will stop working sometime or it will not respond to any work properly. Next is about why do people create and spread viruses. Once we can't understand the logic behind people's addiction to create and spread virus, we will get so many reasons for to create and to spread the virus. Some of the reasons are, first one, because they enjoy causing trouble and making others suffer. They won't worry about the others. They will feel happy to cause a problem to the others. Next, they don't think about the consequences other has to face. Yes, right. Means they won't worry about the others, what and all problem they are facing because of the computer virus. They consider it to be the responsibility of someone else to protect system from their creation. In the sense what? We need to protect our system. They will think that the user need to protect their own system from a computer virus. Next, they will create for the experimentation. They will create how it will work, how it will cause problem. Because of the experimentation also, they will create sometime. Next, they will create to check their programming skill. In the sense what? They need to check, if they are going to check the programming skill means sometime they will use to create the computer virus also. Next, they want to engage the antivirus vendors in a job. Here, what is the meaning of antivirus? Antivirus is used to protect the computer virus from the system. Antivirus vendors means what? Who will create the antivirus software. Okay, who will develop the antivirus software? For them, we will call it as antivirus vendors. They will think that they want to engage the antivirus vendors in a job, so they will create the computer virus. Next is about sources of virus. You know that a virus never raise an alarm while getting into a system. User need to be careful about the system while browsing any messages or something. While using the internet to your system, we have to be careful about that first. So many sources will be there for a virus. Some of the sources are, first one, a virus infected storage devices like CD or DVD or pen drive. Some CDs or DVD or pen drive will be infected by a virus, right? Don't use such kind of storage devices to your computer system. Next is about pirated softwares, like it may be application software or a system software. Pirated in the sense what? Illegal softwares or banned software. Don't use such kind of softwares to your computer system. Hide computer games or the hide audios or hide video CDs. Don't use such kind of video or game or audio CDs or video CDs to your computer system. Next, because of a Bluetooth connection also it may come, if the virus may attack to your system. Next, browsing unwanted website through internet. Don't use unwanted website. Don't search unwanted website in your computer system. Next, unwanted mails in a spam folder. Spam folder means what? The virus attacked mail will be stored in a spam folder. Don't use such kind of mails in a spam folder. Delete as soon as they enter to your computer system. Next, symptoms of a computer virus. For a human being, because of a seasonal fever, we will be having some symptoms, right? Same as it is for a computer virus also, computer will be having some symptoms. Some of the symptoms are, the speed of the processor become comparatively slow. Compared to before you are working to now, if you are going to compare means the speed of a computer system becoming slow. Because of what? Because of a computer virus in your system. You may get unusual messages on the screen. Some unusual messages will come to your computer screen because of a computer virus. The opening or closing of a program takes more time. Program in the sense what? Any application, if you are going to close or if you are going to open or to save also, it will take more time because of what? Because of a computer virus. The programs may not run. If they run also, they don't function it properly. Programs in the sense, I'll take any computer program. If you are going to run it means it won't run. Okay. If they run also, they won't function properly because of a computer virus. The system may frequently restart without the knowledge of the user. Restart in the sense what? Without the user knowledge, without our knowledge only, it will restart automatically because of computer virus. The system may not be able to read the content of CD or DVD or pen drive. Okay, some DVDs or some CDs it will not open. Okay, because of what? Because of the virus in that storage devices. The data files may corrupt or show unusual character or symbols in place of the actual data. Okay, if you are going to open any document means you saved with the proper data only. If you are going to open means it will show unusual character or some symbols in the place of the actual data. Because of what? Because of a computer virus only. Next is about types of viruses. Computer viruses are divided into two types based on their behavior. First one is general infector, second one system infector. Some of the general infectors are worm virus, Trojan virus, bomb virus. System infectors, boot sector virus, program virus, macro virus and stealth virus. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.